Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS has started the examination, and today we are going to solve 23rd of August TCS NQT morning and evening slot question. Friends, many of the question from today's slot had wrong answer or incomplete question. For question number 1, the options are wrong, so students will be definitely getting the bonus marks. For question number 2, the question is incomplete, so for this also student will be getting the bonus marks. Okay, so we will discuss the top 10 question which was asked in today's 23rd of exam. But before that, I request all of you to please subscribe to our channel and also click on bell icon so that you get all the updates, like if TCS is blacklisting or how to get the perfect resume. Okay, and any kind of like analysis of the 21st of August, 20 August, all these questions, so we are doing the proper analysis here. Okay, now, so question number 1, let us see. So a car has two punctures. The first puncture, so I'll make a tire here. Okay, so a car tire has two punctures. So suppose P1, puncture 1. So the first puncture alone would have made the tire flat in 7 minutes, and the second puncture, so second puncture P2 would have done it in 4 minutes. If air leaks at a constant rate, how long does it take both the punches together to make it flat? Okay, now friends, you know one formula, AB divided by A plus B. So where A is 7 into 4 divided by 7 plus 4. If both of them work together, so it will be 28 by 11. Okay, now, but here if you'll see, so 11 1 ja 11, 11 plus 6, 17 by 11. Okay, here it is 66 by 13. Here it is 45 by 11. 11 3s are 33 plus 134 by 11. So we do not have any such option. So for this question, you will be getting bonus marks. So all the students will be getting the bonus marks for this particular question. Also, you can use the LCM method here, which I always do, P1 and P2. Otherwise, the students will say, sorry, now you are using the different method. Take the LCM, it is 28. Okay, and this becomes our total. Actually, you can say the air inside the tire. Okay, now, so 28, and P1 will be removing a 7 4 ja. Okay, so 7 4 ja and 4 7 ja. So P1 will be removing 4 unit and P2 will be removing 7 unit in a minute. So 28 by 11, but we do not have any such option. So be ready to get a bonus marks for question number 1. Now question number 2. So this is, as I said, it's a incomplete question. You will be getting again bonus marks for this. Okay, now, so the mean of 11 observation is 40. So mean is nothing but average. Okay, mean is nothing but equal to average, and average will be equal to sum divided by number. Okay friends, so this question, you can see question number 17 in the today's exam. So the mean of 11 observation is 40. So average is given 40, and sum of the 11 we don't know, and number is nothing but 11. Now we know, so sum of the observation, okay, sum of the all the 11 observation will be 40 into 11, it is nothing but 440. Okay, now a new observation is added, then find the mean of 12 observation. So now average of 12 observation will be sum of 12 divided by number. So average is not known. Okay, average is not known, and here the 12th number also not known. Okay, the 12th number also not known. Find the mean of 12 observation. Okay, see, average I don't know, and sum I can write sum of 11 plus the 12th observation. Okay, divided by total 12 number. So average, and here sum of 11 at least we know 440, but observation, 12th observation we don't know, and divided by 12. So we have only one equation, and observation 12 is not known, and average is 12, average is not known. So we will not be able to solve this question. This is a incomplete question, and you are entitled to get a bonus mark. So one question was wrong, and the another question had the incomplete data. Now, so let us come back and try to solve the very good question which was asked in today's exam. Basically, it will be based on formula, but many students were complaining that, sir, you are only doing the simple problem. Friends, see, we are not doing the advanced sections of aptitude and reasoning. We are mainly focusing on the foundation section. Okay, now, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1320 centimeter square. Okay, now, so friends, first of all, you need to know, so what is the curved, okay, so what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? Okay, so of a cylinder, so of a cylinder will be nothing but 2 pi rh. Okay, and what is the total surface area. So this is the formula. So total surface area of a cylinder will be 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, so this formula you will be definitely knowing now. So if its total surface area is, so total surface area is 130% of the curved surface area. So curved surface area of the cylinder is already given 1320. So it will become 130 into 1320 divided by 100. Okay, now 1010 cancel, 1010 cancel, and according to me you should not simply waste the time in calculation, because calculator will be allowed in the examination. Okay, so here let us go. So 132 into 13, or the multiplication is also not required, but let us see. So 1716 is nothing but the total curved surface area. Now, so then find its approximate radius. So total surface area formula is, so basically 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh plus 2 pi rh. Okay, see, if you would have seen the cylinder, I don't want to go very much inside. Okay, so if you would have seen the cylinder, okay, now, so this is nothing but your cylinder, okay, and this will become your radius, and this will become your height. Okay, now, so total surface area, so you can see from the top and from the bottom you will feel like there is a circle. So that is the reason 2 pi r square here. Okay, 2 pi r square. And now this is the curved surface area. So curved surface area will be like, if we'll try to open it, will be like a page. Okay, so it will be like a page. So circumference of 2 pi r, circumference of a circle, okay, it will become like this. So 2 pi r into h. Okay, so that is the reason 2 pi r h is here. Now, so total surface area is 1716, and here 2 pi r h. So already we know curved surface area, my dear friends, it has been given in the question. So 2 pi r square will be equal to 1716 minus 1320. So this is 6, this is 2, and this is 3, is equals to 2 pi. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. So 11 2s and 11 3s and 11 6s. Then again 2 and 2 4, 4 9s. So r square will be 63. So r square will be little lesser than 8. So little lesser than 8 is nothing but 7.94. So approximate. So they're asking the approximate radius, because they were knowing that, you will not be getting the exact value. So 7.94 will become the correct answer for this particular question. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we can move to the next question. So the comment section is yours only. This was a formula based question. Now, so this particular question is a wonderful question, and you can say it's a really difficult problem. Okay, it's really a difficult problem, and I'm not sure this was asked in the advanced section or the foundation section. Okay, I'm really not sure, I'm telling you out. Okay, but let us see, let us try to solve, or if you want me to solve it, at the end, then also I will do. Okay, now, so let me try to solve it other question, and then I will solve it at the end. Question number 4, please remember, because this is a very good question, and this might go for the advanced section. Okay, fine. So a man has rupees 13,600. So your principal will become 13,600. Okay, he lends some part of his money at 10% simple interest and some part of the money at 7.5% yearly. After 3.5 years, he earns rupees 3808. Find the money given at 10% rate. Now, friends, this question I have already told you. So you can solve it using alligation rule of alligation. Okay. Now, so principal was 13600. Time was nothing but 3.5 is nothing but 7 by 2 years. And if we'll talk about the simple interest here, so simple interest was nothing but 3808. Okay. So simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Okay. PRT by 100. So 3808 is equals to 13600. Rate we need to find it out, times 7 by 2 and divided by 100. So 20 and 20 cancelled, and 2 6 ja will be 12 and 2 8 ja will be 16. So basically radius will be 3808 divided by 60. Sorry, not radius, because last question was based on radius, so I'm telling radius. It is rate. So rate of interest into 7. Now use the calculator, my dear friends. When calculator is given to you, why unnecessary you are wasting the time? So 3808 divided by 68 will be equal to 56, and 56 divided by 7. So basically the rate of interest. So after 1 year, the rate of interest was nothing but 8%. Okay, 8%. Okay, now, so a person, a man, he had 13,600. He lent some part of his money at 10% interest, okay, and some part at 7.5% interest, okay. And after a year, cumulative interest is nothing but 8%. Now please try to subtract it. So this will be 0.5 and this will be 2. So this you can also write 5 and 2 if you want to remove the decimal. So basically his money, he has invested his money into 1:4 ratio. Total was 13,600 rupees. They are asking find the money given at 10%. So 10% in front of 10, it is one part, okay, one part out of five parts. So out of five part, one part he invested at 10% and the remaining four part he invested at 7.5%. Okay, now so this only you have to solve. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, and 5 2s are so 2720. My dear friends, option D will be the correct answer for this particular problem. See, most of the problems are the repeated problem which has been already asked in the examination. I'm not doing too many new problems, I'm telling you, okay. So I'm not doing too many new problems. Okay, now so let us do first easy problem, and then the difficult problem we will keep it at the end, but I will do all. No need to worry about that. So what is the average nearest to integer of all semi prime, okay, semi prime number between 20 and 40? Now here comes, sir, what is semi prime number? So what is semi prime number? So semi prime number is nothing but prime number into prime number, okay, prime number into prime number will be your semi prime number. So in between 20 and 40, so if we talk about the semi prime number, then we have 21, because 21 is a factor of 3 and 7. 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. 2 into 11, both are prime number. 5 into 5, both are prime number. 26, 2 into 13, both are prime number. 33, 3 into 11, 34, 2 into 17, 5 into 7, okay, and then 2 into 19, and then 3 into 13. So all these numbers are semi prime numbers because in between 20 to 40, because these are the multiplication of the prime numbers, right? Okay, so sir, can we take, okay, so sir, can we take except one? So here I forgot to mention, so except one, okay, because one is not a prime number, so do not try to put here, because what, see, your prime number starts from 2, okay. So one is not a prime number, right? So you already know. So that is the reason I have not taken 23, because 23 will be 1 into 23. One is not a prime number, okay. Now so let us take one example, 24. So 24 is a multiple of 2 3, right? So 2 3 4 6, okay. So it's also a multiple of the non-prime number, right? Because see, 24 I can write 4 into 6, okay, 4 into 6. So 4 is a non-prime number, 6 is a non-prime number. So that is the reason we have not taken. So these are the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the 9 semi prime numbers are there. These are the 9 semi prime numbers are there, okay. Now so we need to calculate the average. So we need to calculate the average. So average will be 21 plus 22 plus 25 3 plus 26 4 plus 33 5 for 34 6, 35 7, 38 8, and 39 9 divided by 9. After that, who will help you? So obviously after this, calculator will help you. Okay, don't use your mind in the examination. Don't put so much stress on your mind in the exam. 21 plus 22 plus 25 plus 26 plus 33 plus 34 plus 35 plus 38 plus 39, okay, is equals to divided by 9. So your answer, oh my god, so there is definitely some mistake has happened. So let us try to do once more. So 21, I don't know where I did the mistake. 21 plus, because this calculator, my laptop calculator is not good, plus 25, okay. And I don't know, they might be asking, okay, nearest to the integer. So we will see once more. I'm not very sure. Okay, so 68, okay, so then 26, let us do once more, plus 33 plus 34 and plus 35 and plus 38 and plus 39, okay, is equals to 274. I don't know, there is some mistake I'm doing in the calculation. So 30, so it is coming near to 30, but I know I have again done some mistake, because last time it was 273. Because this calculator is not good, so definitely there is something typing mistake is happening, okay. So I'm really sorry for that, because last time and this time the values have come different, okay. plus 38 plus 39 is equals to divided by 9. Okay, so it is 30.33. So I will take the nearest integer as 30. So my first addition was only wrong, sorry, correct. So it will be nearest to the value is nothing but 30. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. So semi prime number is nothing but multiplication of prime number into prime number. Okay, now question number 8. So determine the smallest number 300 and 400. So determine the smallest number between 300 and 400, which when divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, leaves a remainder of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now so here the difference, okay, so here if you take the common difference, then it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now so take the common difference. Common difference is nothing but 1. So your remainder will become 1 here. Now so find the smallest number between 300 and 400, which when divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So take the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the trick I'm telling you. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, and 2 3 ja. Okay, and then it will go by 3 times. So 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, and 3 1 ja. So 2 3 are 6, 6 into 2 is 12, and 12 into 5 is 60. So LCM will be 60 now. So the number will be 60. Okay, so multiple of 60 minus 1. Sir, why you are reducing minus 1? Why you are subtracting 1? Because the common difference, okay, the common difference is 1. That means this is nothing but our remainder. So if we will remove this, okay, then this number will become a multiple of, then this number will become a multiple of 60, you can assume. Or you can also say, see, 60 into k minus 1 will be your final answer, okay, final answer. So 60 into k, so if we'll put, see, all are in the range of 300, so 60 into 5, 60 into 5, so 300 minus 1 will become 299. No, so I will take the next value, 60 into 6 minus 1. So 360 minus 1 will become 359. Okay, then 60 into 7 will become 420. So I will tell you once again, it's very simple. See, first what you do is find out the common difference. So common difference, so if you subtract, you will be able to find out the common difference. Okay, now so the number has to be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then this number will be also divisible by its LCM. See, 4, 8, 16. Okay, so suppose 64. So 64 is divisible by 4 and 8. Then this 64 will be also divisible by LCM of 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 LCM will be 8. Same thing. So I took the LCM. LCM is nothing but 60. That means my number will become multiple of 60 minus 1. Thus one remainder we are subtracting. Okay, now so put the value of k. So when we are putting the value of k, we are finding it out. 359 is the number, and that will become our smallest number. When you will divide it by 60, then it will give you a remainder of, nothing but 1. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. You can also try to divide it out. So if you try to divide it out, it will give you a remainder of, right? So you divide it by 2, you divide it by 3, you divide it by 4, you divide it by 5, you divided it by 6. Okay, so in all cases you will be getting a remainder of respectively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Then so in a certain code ety, so in a certain code ety is written as 145. So what is ety? That we will try to understand. So friends, do you know the code for EJOT? So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So how to remember the alphabet numbers? So I had already told you. So here E. So E is nothing but 5, T is nothing but 20, and Y is nothing but 25. Now, so all the numbers has been divided by 5. So the position basically, so position divided by 5. So basically here position divided by 5. So 5 by 5 1, 20 by 5 4, and 25 by 5 145. That is what is written. Now so they're asking EOJT, how it will be written. So E is 5, O is 15, J is 10, EOJT. Okay, and T is 20. Now divided by 5, 5, 5, and 5. So it will be 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, so here you will type 1, 3, 2, 4. If it is wrong, it will give you a warning, and if it is correct, then it will take it and you will be redirected to the next page. Okay, now next. So find the compound interest on 3200 rupees in 1.5 years at 5% per annum if the interest is calculated half yearly. So half yearly, so this is a good question. Okay, now, so principal is nothing but 3,200. Okay, time is nothing but 1.5 years, and rate is nothing but 5%. Okay, now, so friends, whenever it is half yearly, see earlier the questions, if you'll see, it was yearly, annually. Yearly, annually means you are going only one time to the bank and then you are getting the interest. Right now, half yearly means now you will be going two times to the bank. So in 1.5 years you will be going, right, how many times? Three times. Okay, so it will become 3 years. So always remember, in case of half yearly, your time will become multiplied by 2 and your rate will be divided by 2. Okay, so keep that in mind. And rate, see earlier in 1 year you were giving 5%. So if you are going two times in 6 months, then definitely you will be giving 2.5 and 2.5. So it will become 2.5% or 5 by 2. Now, so let us calculate the compound interest. So compound interest will be equal to formula P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P, because calculator will be there. So I am totally, not worried about that. Then 1 plus R is 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 100 is already there. Okay. To the power n is 3 minus 3,200. So 3,200 into, so 5, this 20 times. Okay. So 40. So 41 by 40 into 41 by 40 into 41 by 40 minus 3200. Okay, so 1010 cancelled, and then 4 4 just 16 two times and 220 times. Okay, now, so let us use a calculator and finish it off here. So 41 into 41 into 41 is equals to this divided by 20. Okay, is equals to 3446 minus 3200 is equals to 246.05, and option D will become the correct answer. Okay, so we have solved 8 questions, and now we are going to solve one of the difficult problem, as I said, and I also told you I don't know if it is from the advanced section or foundation section. Okay, now, so find the length of the chord defined by y is equals to 1 plus 2x on the circle x square plus y square plus 5. Okay, now, so friends, circle, so this is my circle whose center is 0 0. Okay, because the circle standard equation will be x minus k square, k1 square, and plus x minus x1 basically, and y minus yn square is equals to radius square. Okay, now, so here the x and y coordinates here are nothing but 0 0. Now, so find the length of the chord. So chord means nothing but there is a line something like this. Okay, and length of the chord, so this length you have to calculate it. Okay, so what will be the radius? So radius square, but here it is x square plus y square is equals to a square root of 5 square, then only it will be nothing but 5. Clear? So understanding, if any point, if you have doubt, my dear friends, please ask. Now we will do the difficult problem. Okay, so this is nothing but your chord. Now, so I will put a perpendicular line here. Okay, I will put a perpendicular line here. Okay, and then if we talk about the radius, then definitely this is my radius, then definitely this is my radius. So radius is nothing but a square root of 5. So we have to find out the length of this chord. Okay, now this length, this particular length which we have drawn here is nothing but d. Okay, so nothing but d. Now, so we have to find out the d here. So friends, how can we find out the d here? I will tell you. So there is a formula. So if your linear equation is in ax plus bx plus c is equals to 0 form, then so here what we will be doing, so a, okay, so here we will be putting a plus b, and we are basically putting the prefix and the coefficient. Okay, a plus b plus c and divided by a square plus b square. This will be nothing but our d. Now, so a, so 2x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So I am writing in this form. So a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to 1. Okay, now, so a and with coefficient, so basically ax1 by1. Okay, so x1 and i1, the coordinates are 0. Okay, so the coordinates are 0, so here it will become 0 plus 0. Okay, and then c is nothing but 1 divided by square root of a square plus b square. So a is nothing but 2 square 4 and b square is 1. So this will become 1 divided by root 5. So this is nothing but 1 divided by root 5 is nothing but the value of d. Okay, fine. Now, so now we will be easily able to calculate this. So let us assume that a b c. So first try to calculate BC because we have put a perpendicular. So definitely AB will be equal to BC. Okay. Now, so let us first calculate this BC. So we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So BC. So BC will be equal to square root of, okay, so hypotenuse. So square root of 5 square minus, and this distance 1 by root 5 square, 1 by root 5 square. Okay. So now I can write down here, there is some space. So square root of 5 is 5 minus 1 by 5. So this will be nothing but 5. 5 are 25. So it will become 24 by 5. Okay. 24 by 5. So 24 means 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 6. So basically 2 square root of 6 by 5. Okay. So this is only BC. But we have to find out this 2. So we will multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 square root of 6 by 5. So this will become 4 square root of 6 by 5. But if we try to see the options, we have in the form of 30. We have in the form of 30. So what I will do? So I will inside multiply by 5 and then I will divide by 5. So what is the use? Because we will be also getting the answer in terms of 5. Now 4. Okay. So this will become 30 and instead of 2 5 1 5 will come outside. So 4 by 5 and square root of 30. So option A will become the correct answer. And this is purely geometry question where you had to find out the length of the chord. So now we have total got AC. So AC is equals to 4 by 5 and square root of 30. Okay. So option A will become the correct answer. Now, so question number 6. Friends, so this is the last question for today's class. And if you have still not followed to our channel, please do follow, subscribe and click on bell icon so that we can work more and more for you, man. That's all. Now question number 6. So if A is the rate percent, correction to the fraction. So if A is rate percent, correction to the fraction, 24 by 5. So A. So if you will try to convert into terms of percent, rate percent, then it will become 96. A will become 96. Okay. Now, if 30 kilometer is B percent of, if 30 kilometer is equals to B percent of 40. So 30 and 40 will come down. This percentage will come here, will become equal to B. So 1010 cancel, 425 times. So B will become 75 here. A is 96 and B is 75. Then what percentage up to 2 decimal is B of A square? So what percentage is, in a simple terms you can understand, what percentage is, what percentage is 40 of 80? So 40 is nothing but 50% of 80. How you have to write? 40 by 80 into 100. So this is nothing but 50%. So what percentage of B of A square? So B by A square into 100. Now my B. So B is 75 divided by A square. A is 96 into 96 into 100. So now 7500 divided by, so let me use the calculator. Why 2? Because in TCS you will be getting on screen calculator. 75 square divided by 96 and again divided by 96. So it will become 0.81 because they're asking, because they're telling up to 2 decimal places. So 0.81, option B will become the correct answer. So friends, thank you all of you to watching this complete video and understanding like the bonus marks and what kind of questions will be coming in your exam. So this is top 10 question asked on 23rd of August. Okay, so thank you and all the very best for your upcoming exam. Once again, I wanted to tell you, so if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have not clicked on bell icon, please do it so that you will be getting all the videos. Thank you.